Hello! Welcome to Nature and Interesting Bugs Week. This week we have some really fun activities. A fairy house is but one, and this project could technically take an entire day. It will be so much fun for your little one to do. Let's put this one aside. We're also going to be making spoon bugs with modeling clay. We've got some super easy pipe cleaner crafts to do this week that would be caterpillars and ring spiders so they can wear them on their finger and have a ton of fun. Oh my goodness, the experiments, awesome experiments. We're doing some ant exploration and we're also going to be doing some technology and art combination this week, which is going to be a lot of fun. So as usual, you've received 3 PDFs, printable PDFs, and one of them is an interactive, which is the one that you see here. So all of these links here are clickable interactive links, which means they go directly to the activity, which also means they don't go surfing the World Wide Web finding stuff that maybe you don't want them to find. So interactive PDF is great for the kids who've just come off digital learning at school. Otherwise, you've received this, which is your activity guide for the week. It's choose your own adventure. So you can cut out these little squares and then you can make a little system like what I've made here and have your envelopes, place them in their respective envelopes, and then the children can pick and choose their adventure, put some in the morning, some in the afternoon. And we've also included some pretty good life skills in here, which is brush your teeth, get dressed, make your bed. And our suggestion is every single day have them pin this up somewhere on their board, teaching them some valuable life skills moving forward. So this is our week, Nature and Interesting Bugs. We cannot wait to see all of the amazing stuff that you're making. So please make sure to tag us on social media so that we can share your beautiful creations. Have fun.
Why don't you keep your artwork forever in the Artebula app? Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.